Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the water pump on a Dodge Grand Caravan, easy method. Start by parking on level ground, cool engine, and disconnect the battery. Drain the coolant into a container, then remove the serpentine belt and any obstructing components. Keep bolts organized and take photos for reassembly. Clean the mounting surface thoroughly before installing the new pump and gasket to prevent leaks. Once you have clear access, loosen the belt tensioner and slide the serpentine belt off the pulleys. Remove any brackets or components that block the pump, labeling them as you go. Unbolt the pump in a cross pattern to reduce warping risk and pull the pump straight off the housing. Inspect the impeller and mounting surface for damage and corrosion, and clean the area completely before fitting the new gasket. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making straightforward repair videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great while you work. It's a small touch that makes test drives and daily commutes more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Dry fit the new water pump and confirm alignment with bolt holes and passages, then apply the new gasket or sealant as specified. Hand thread bolts first, then torque them to the vehicle specification in a cross pattern to ensure an even seal. Reinstall accessory brackets and the serpentine belt, set belt tension, reconnect the battery, and refill the cooling system with the correct coolant mix. Bleed air from the system and check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.